Professionally cleaned carpets not only increase the value of your home, but a professional cleaning will also remove unwanted pollutants and allergens from your carpets, providing a healthier living environment for you and your family. Keeping your carpets clean and looking their best means that you must have them maintained by a professional on a regular basis. Store-bought cleaners and equipment just don't cut it here. You need to hire the professionals if you want a professional-looking result. And if left improperly cared for, a dirty carpet can hurt the value of your home and actually cause health and allergy problems for you and your family. Keeping your carpets cleaned on a regular basis is also a good financial decision, because a clean carpet will wear less and last much longer than a dirty carpet. This means you'll save more money in the long run, because your carpet will have a much longer lifespan. You'll most likely want to replace your carpet for remodeling purposes before it wears out. Keeping your home's carpet cleaned on a regular basis provides many benefits for both your home and you and your family's quality of life. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your professional cleaning today. Give us a call or stop by our website for more information. We'd be glad to answer any questions you have and help you get your carpet looking its best.